In this video, we will have a virtual walking tour in Georgetown, the second largest city in Malaysia, located on the island of Penang. This colorful city is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Georgetown was founded in 1786 as a free port to serve British interests in Southeast Asia. It became for a time the capital and commercial center of the Straits settlements. Georgetown grew rapidly and served as a melting pot for various cultures which traded on its shores. Now it's an economically and culturally diverse city with beautiful colonial architecture. Yeah, I love the abundance of fruits that you can find here. I will have some watermelon juice. Cheers! This is Penang Municipal Town Hall. It was built in 1880 by the British. It has very beautiful Victorian-style architecture, and it was used for important events and government activities. This green field next to the town hall is used for large celebrations in the city. The kids came to Georgetown from Thailand. Next to the town hall, there is another beautiful colonial building. This is Penang City Hall. It was built in 1903 and nowadays it houses the Penang Island City Council. It has a grand ballroom used for events, and it was the venue for Queen Elizabeth II's visit in 1972, which made it a notable historic site. After passing the City Hall, we see the Cenotaph War Memorial. It was built in 1929 to commemorate the fallen Commonwealth soldiers in various wars. Located on the Esplanade, it's also a key historical site of the city. Georgetown has been an important seaport since its founding. It facilitated the exchange of goods between the East and West. Here we have some young dancers. This day was very windy, but at the same time very hot. The climate in Penang is tropical, so it's warm and humid all year round. Temperatures here usually range from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Sometimes there are short bursts of rain, especially during the monsoon season, from May to October. By the way, this is my second video about Georgetown. You can watch the first one using the link I left for you. When I travel, sometimes I like just strolling in the streets in random directions. Here we can see some fishermen and far away new modern apartment houses. The historical old town of Georgetown is filled with colorful buildings and narrow streets. Here you can see a mix of cultural influences, including Chinese, Indian, and Malay heritage. The old town is also famous for its street art. You can find murals painted on walls that tell stories about the city's history and culture. Now we are going to visit one of the oldest churches in Malaysia, the Church of the Assumption. It was built in 1786, the same year when Georgetown was founded. It served as a place of worship for early European settlers and local Christians. The church underwent several renovations over the years to maintain its historical charm. Inside, you can see beautiful stained glass windows and intricate wooden furnishings. The Church of the Assumption played a significant role in the spread of Christianity in the region. It's a symbol of Penang's religious heritage. Visitors can attend Mass to experience its spiritual ambience. The church's architecture reflects a blend of European and local influences and makes it a unique cultural attraction. Now we will visit another interesting location, one of the clan jetties of Penang. The clan jetties are historical Chinese villages built over water on long jetties. Each jetty has its own small temple at the entrance and at the very end of the jetty. There are 6 main jetties, each belonging to a different Chinese clan. These jetties were constructed over a century ago and are still inhabited by descendants of the original settlers. Each jetty has its own distinct character and atmosphere, reflecting the heritage of its respective clan. Visitors can explore the narrow wooden walkways that connect the houses, taking a glimpse into the daily lives of the residents. One interesting fact about the clan jetties is that they were originally built as temporary housing for Chinese immigrants who came to Penang to work in the port and other industries. However, over time, these temporary settlements evolved into permanent communities. Another interesting aspect of the clan jetties is the strong sense of community among the residents. Despite being separate clans, the residents often come together for festivals, celebrations, and important events. This sense of unity has helped preserve the heritage and traditions of the clan jetties over the years. The jetties have all the modern conveniences of any other house, with electricity, telephone wires, running water, and air conditioning. Some of these amenities were added just a few decades ago, greatly improving what were previously quite poor living conditions. Despite their cultural significance, the clan Jetties have faced challenges in recent years, including issues related to infrastructure, preservation, and urban development. Efforts have been made to conserve these historical settlements and promote sustainable tourism. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate it. It will motivate me to spend time and effort to make more videos like this for you. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.